as promised, we've made a quick video for you so you can see what Princess Cays in Bahamas is like, and hopefully you'll enjoy, and let's get right to it. Okay, so welcome back to Retired Early Slow Travelers. I just wanted to let y'all know up front that I started at the back of the resort. So as I'm coming through it, I'm coming from the back all the way up to the front. So I hope that y'all enjoy the video. I tried to keep it short, sweet, and simple, but yet give you all the details that I could. So if you have any questions, let us know, and we hope that you enjoy. This is the exclusive bungalows. A lot of music at this place. And the bungalows start here and go all the way down. There's our ship out there. Bringing your food and everything. Got a bungalow bar. I'm not sure if this is just for the bungalows, but definitely cute. And I just asked if the bungalows were air conditioned, and they said yes, they were. And that over there is the lagoon, which we'll see that here in a few minutes. Water is beautiful. It's supposed to get up to 80 degrees today, and everybody's having a great time out there. Chairs everywhere for everyone. The tender process was about 20, maybe 25 minutes, but it was about 20 minutes just getting on and 5 minutes getting here. They do have restrooms located everywhere, trash cans, recycling. If I said anything, it would be that they needed to have some music. Maybe not loud or anything, but just a little bit of vibe. Or if you just want to be here, be quiet and read a book, this is the place to do it. Now you've got some really unique bungalows or day beds here. They can get kind of high. I think they're a little over $400, if I'm not mistaken. You got your bungalow concierge here. I'll try to put the pricing on the bottom of the video as we pass these items, just to kind of let you know what they cost. Bringing all their food to them at the bungalows. This right here is a great little area. You can go up the stairs, maybe look out over the entire island. They do have designated smoking areas. We got the Little Bay Beach, rental station, food pavilion, coconut beach bar, restrooms, bungalows, day beds, and cabanas. The Baby Ray Park, and more to explore. Baby Ray Park was cute. It's a little park for kiddos. Over there is the lagoon access for kayak tours. just walk across the sand here if you wanted to. I just now heard that song. This is the pavilion where everybody's eating the barbecue luncheon. And they provided the food, which we'll show y'all that on the video. There's plenty of things you can rent or use for free. The umbrellas do cost. The chairs do not cost unless you're getting an umbrella with the 2 chairs. I think they do have a fee for that. I'm not 100% sure, but I will put them at the bottom. Beautiful. Everybody's out there swimming, having a good time. There's another bar. Okay. I did confirm that if you have the drink package on the ship, you just use your medallion and you can charge it, or actually charge it, I guess, if you want to, but if you have the drink package, it's going to be free. The lines are getting long for the food. They have 4 different buffet lines. We got here a little early, so it wasn't long and packed yet, but it's getting there. Plenty of places to sit, lots of places. I think this thing she's carrying happens to be one of those floaty chairs. You have a lifeguard out there in the middle. It's starting to get packed. This is definitely the food pavilion. And as you saw in the video, or will see in the video, I thought it was really good, especially potato salad. It's nice. And we just got some free food here at the beach. They do have lemonade tea as well. I got a hot dog, a piece of grilled chicken, a hamburger patty, and some good potato salad. What'd you get, baby?
All right, I also got a beef hot dog and a type of sausage, some pork spare ribs, and some potato salad. Again, like I just said, this is at Princess Cays private beach, and it is all complimentary.
Yeah.
Got some water to wash it down with.
And then we also got a whole spill of fruit on this end. They have several lines you can walk through to get the buffet information, or buffet food. So we're gonna chow down. See, there's buffet lines 1, 2, 3, and 4. I did start at the back to move my way through the resort. Once again, this is Princess Cays. It is their private island. Everything here is free except for rentable items, which, like I said, put on the bottom of the screen. There was a place where they did hair braiding and stuff, but they did not have anybody there at the time. They have showers there in the middle. And they have these, what do they call these, baby?
I think clamshell chairs.
Yeah. Where you can have it for up to 2 people, I think. And as you can see over there, there's 2 chairs and the cover comes with it. Not sure of the cost on that either. I will put it down there for you. Yeah, here was the straw vendor hair braiding, but there was nobody here today for that, so. And then you also have the lockers here. They do charge for those. I think it's $4.95.
Do you want to get a rental?
After I'm done. Here we're coming upon the Baby Ray Park. This is a cute little park for the kiddos. No smoking in this area. They got slides and all kinds of things that the kids can do. They also have a pool, but it's not for adults. It says that the pool is for 12 and under. So this is just for 12 and under, like little families. I'll put the pool rules on here. I'm starting to hear some music now. Maybe it was just the bungalow area that didn't have the music. Looks like we got some music over here, a live band. This is the Banana Beach Bar.
Every moment's a day, every day seems a lifetime. Let me show you the way. It's all darling to compare.
Another smoking area. So now we have our vendors here. They're selling like shirts and hats. We'll tell you, I asked about this little Bahamas hat here, and it was $20. Just to give you an idea of some prices, but looks like they have a little bit of everything here. We got an Island Chic Princess Cays shop. We got stuff that's about Princess Cays and some hats. Blackbeards, we know you want some. They have their rum cakes and such in there. And it tells you to go back to the ship here. And the ships run every 10-15 minutes from what I understand. Just nice little vendors. They have some free water and stuff when you go back on the ship. Backpacks and such. See how much those are? The
What's
masks.
that?
The
How
scuba
much what
mask.
is?
The scuba mask. Right there on that rack. Right in front of you. That information. Our barbecue was from 11:30 to 1 today. And that's today. Could be different next time. As always, thank you guys for watching. And if you have any comments, likes, subscribe, please definitely do so. And once again, signing off at Princess Regal.